Holy cow, look at this green NSX. It's right beside GT3 RS as well. It's a BMW bike. There's another NSX. Look at that. Second NSX. Then there's an R8 over here. R8. Supra. Convert to an M3. 400Z. Oh, I saw this Datsun on the road. Look at these. Holy cow, look at this Porsche Cayman GT4. This is probably the best spec of GT4 I've seen so far. This is really gorgeous. Guacamole, look at this. Liberty Rock Toyota Supra. Look at how wide this car is. Like right here versus like the factory stock model. RAP Z4, that's hilarious. BMW Supra. That is funny. Here's the weirdest Porsche Cayman I've seen. It's actually kind of cool though, but it's really out there. It's a Porsche Cayman GT4 and I think gentian blue. And then it has an anime wrap on it. That's really cool. It looks almost like a gumball car, the way the wrap grabs your attention. This is a perfect M4. The shade of purple on this doesn't show up in pictures as good as it does in person. This is just amazing. Look at how deep that purple is. And it's right beside a Nissan Skyline. 400Z, Aston Martin. Look at this Supra. Got a carbon fiber Supra. Red Supra with the octopus inside. Blacked out Supra here. Look at that. Carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber hood. This drops so low. Same thing here. Carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber hood, purple windows. Look at how low this is. The fitment on this is perfect. Like the fitment, how it touches. Look at that. This is a clean build. Duracell. Look at that engine. Oh, this is nice. Iridescent wheels. Look at that purple interior. Wide body kit. This is so cool. So this model is the Slingshot SL. This one has glowing wheels at the front, glowing wheels at the back. The black third interior. This is perfect for a summer day. Look at that. Of all the Slingshots I've seen though, this one is the coolest of them all. This is truly such a unique car right here. I saw this truck at another show. This is nice. Look at this 350Z here. Look at that. E92 and another E92. There's two different E92s in a row. Well, look at the glass hood. Holy cow, this is